Hello everyone, I'm Shohan. Today we'll learn how to remove the background using pen tool. Basically this is very important to remove background from your photo, and trust me, if you use pen tool for removing your background, you will get the exact output that you are searching for. So what we have to do first, that we have to select our pen tool. Here we go, and be careful that you have your exclude overlapping shape selected. So we will firstly draw the outside shape, then we will subtract this part from the outside shape. So let's get started. The initial thing is a bit tough, but if you get practice, then it will be easy for you. So there is mainly two things. One is handle and the second is the moving part. So to get the handle position moving, what you have to do in keyboard, just press the Alt, then you will able to move the handle. This handle is basically about, if I direct this handle this part, and if I just put a point here, then it will do like this, because this handle selecting this rotating the whole thing. So what we have to do, we have to again select the handle like using Alt, then just we will say that handle follow this route, and it will follow this route. And suppose you have draw a point here some time in wrong, then you can select this point easily using Control. Just press the Control and you will able to move it. And as you can see, the finishing is not good, so we will use the handle to finish it, like something like this. So to get handle, press the Alt, and if you want to move a point, press Control. So now we will go forward to finish the whole thing. Trust me, this is basically an easy one to use pen tool, but sometimes we get panicked because as we can see, it gets sometime here and there, and we're like, no, this is very hard. No, this is not a very hard. Just practice makes you perfect. So just practice on pen tool and it will be easier for you. And follow my tutorial. I hope it will help you to understand how it's function. And when you will understand that the function is something like this, then it will be easier you to draw a complex path within a minute, I will say. So I'm trying my best to cover everything as soon as possible. So just do this and then zoom out, zoom in, and we will go like this. Yeah, we are about to end our path. So here's the trickier part, just go deeper. In addition, if you wanted to use keyboard shortcut for zoom in and zoom out, then you have got Alt and your roller in your mouse. So just press the Alt and roll the mouse roller, then you will be able to zoom in and zoom out. Now the trickiest part, we have covered the whole pen. Now we have to subtract this part. So we will select subtract from shape, and then we will start drawing the inner side. So this is pretty cool feature, like you can draw the whole path, then you can subtract some portion from this, because this is sometimes necessary. As you can see, I need to cut this part off, otherwise it will look a bit weird. So this is a straight line. So we are done with the outlining. So what we have to do now is just right click and then choose make selection. Here we will get a feather radius section where you can use some integer value like numbers to make the radius bit further. So I have done a very good outlining, so I will make it like 0 pixels. I don't want to get my feather radius go blurred, so I just press OK. As you can see, I have got a nice selection of my object. So what we have to do now, as you all know, like we have to do our refine edge. Okay, so there is a shortcut for refine edge which I have just used. The shortcut is for Windows, Control, Alt and R, but you can also find from the toolbar. To find it, you have to choose this quick selection tool first, then there will be an option called refine edge. Just press the refine edge. As you can see, it's showing me how it will look after I refine the edge. So you can use various selection type here, from like if how it will look like something like this, or on black, or on white, or on like the opposite, or like just on the transparent. So I think we're happy with the result, but you can also use, let me show a bit of it. You can also use this options. These are very important. Like if you just put the radius on, it will go something like this, and smooth, it will get more smoother. Feather, it will have more lots of feather, I guess. So feather, it will get feather, something like this. So I think I'm happy with my product. Just the contrast is very high, so I guess the contrast is good here. And the shift is, it will move your edges from there to here. Check, just cross check. And then new layer with the layer mask. Then I will say I have my remember setting, that's why I will get the exact same setting for the next photo. It's sometimes useful or sometimes not, so if you want to, you can also remove the setting or not, it's on you. So then new layer on with layer mask, I press OK. So it will process your photo, and yeah, it's processed. Let me save it at PhD, and let me give you a background, maybe a white background, to see how it will look. A solid color background. Yeah, this is how it's look on white, and this is how it look well in another color. So it's looking pretty good, I will say. So I think this is all about the tutorial that I wanted to show you guys. So I hope we will meet again in another tutorial. So till then, take care and